Hey, what's up everybody, it's Flux with fluxwithit.com, and today I'm here to show you Grey Forge from Native Instruments. It's the new Native Instruments official expansion. This is a dark techno expansion, and it has a bunch of new kits that are also drum synth presets along with macros so that you can quickly tweak the drum synth sounds and kits while you're playing with them. There's 9 complete projects in it already. Then there's 45 kits, 14 of which are those drum synths that I'm talking about. There's also 230 drum synth presets that you can load up standalone. And you have 40 massive presets, which are monolithic files. They can load up in machine through the browser, which will pull up massive, or you can just load them up in massive. And the download size is 146 megabytes. There's also a version of it for iMachine if you just want to get a taster of the sound, which I'm about to show you right now. Sells for 49 bucks. Let's take a look at it. I've loaded up one of the projects right quick, just so we can get a quick taste of it. And what you'll notice is it has a pretty dark ambient sound. You hear these tails that kind of ring out on a lot of the sounds that are very atmospheric and very nice. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through some of the kits. I'm going to show you what this pack is all about and let you kind of judge for yourself. So let's load up some kits here. I'm going to turn the patterns off. Each of these kits comes with preset patterns in them as well. So let's just randomly load up some kits here. One thing that I've noticed about this pack is the snares are usually, for the majority of the pack, the snares aren't very super hard hitting or cutting through the mix. They're more the kind of snares that lay in the mix and just kind of blend well with everything. The kicks have a nice full round sound to them, but are not especially sharp on attack. They're more a subdued kick sound as well. You know, I really like how the sounds blend together. There are some different kit types in here. So we can go to kits, and then as we load through, there's analog kit, digital kit, drum synth kit, perk kit, which is your percussion, and then special kit, which is more like melodic kits. And I'll load those 2 melodic kits up on here as well. So let's just go ahead and play with this. I'm going to load one more kit up, and that kit will be a drum synth kit. Let's just load one of these up. And I want to show you the macros. So when we're on the group level here and I press the macro button, I instantly get 8 knobs that are mapped out to individual sounds on here and a specific piece of it. So for instance, kick 1, the first knob is kick 1 plate mix. So and open hi-hat tune is your next one. So and then clap. It's your ice amount for the clap. And you know, so we can just easily get to our sounds and kind of mess around with them. Now, you're not going to see those macros on the analog kits, only on the drum synth kits. So when I go to those drum synth kits, I can really kind of play around with them a good bit. Let's go ahead and make a beat and we'll see how it comes out. So just very quickly, you can see these are just random sounds that I'm going through, not with any real prior knowledge of the specific sounds of them. Just kind of an example to show how quickly and easily these sounds blend together. Now, I want to show you some of the patterns that are in here as well, because interesting patterns are in here that really, they go beyond just simple kick and snares. And that's just going through the random patterns that are loading up along with these kits as well. So overall, I'd say that this pack has got a really nice sound to it. I really enjoy like these kind of darker, more ambient sounding kits like this. Kind of along the line, the similar lines as Dark Pressure, whereas Dark Pressure was a little bit more minimal. This has some really nice one-shots to it. So I tend to like this one actually a little bit more. So overall, I really like the pack. I think it's got a really nice sound to it. So this is Flux with fluxwithit.com, checking out Gray Forge from Native Instruments. Go check it out. Peace.